ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ 13ꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯝ ꯄꯨꯡ 4ꯔꯣꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯒꯣꯋꯥꯖꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯜꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯎꯈꯣꯂꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯧꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯂꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ CoTUꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯒꯣꯋꯥꯖꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯆꯣꯡ ꯁꯕ ꯗꯤꯚꯤꯖꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅ ꯁꯔꯆ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯪꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ NSCNIM ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ZUF ꯀꯥꯝꯁꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ꯫ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯎꯈꯣꯂꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯥꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯊꯨꯕꯗ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯤ꯫ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯗ CoTUꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯂꯣꯏ NG ꯂꯨꯟ ꯀꯤꯞꯒꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯎꯈꯣꯂꯥꯜ ꯀꯤꯞꯒꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ 6 ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 2 ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅ ꯐꯥꯒꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯆꯩꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯖꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ 3ꯀꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯅꯤ꯫ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯖꯣ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯁꯨꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯃꯦꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫
Your idea of Naga supremacy and your wanton action to control the government or to bear the higher moral ground is not justified. You are not looking for justice, but you are trying to evict the entire Kukizo community, predominantly in the area that's occupied by you. And this is wrong, and this should be a testament and for the Indian government to understand this. How is it possible that Govazang, a day before combing operation was carried out to flush out any elements from occurring, how is it possible that this armed terrorist could run amok even at this height of this tension? And Sir Khemchandji, I think this is high time you stop appeasing one community over the other by letting the armed terrorists run amok to destabilize the entire region.